Hello Lompipasura, it's a pleasure to have you here in Negotino for the first time and as well in Macedonia. Most of the people in Macedonia are concerned and they are always questioning what is happening in Negotino lately and in Macedonia, and what is the main purpose a monk from Thailand to arrive and to get in Macedonia.
Actually, this trip that I am here is to join in this fellowship, Southeastern European Fellowship, where the young activists from this region coming to join together in their practice of meditation in order to cultivate inner peace. Because when everyone cultivate inner peace, they find their own inner peace, they can externalize it into the other aspect of their life to be more peaceful, interaction with people around them, and will help to create better society. So that's the idea why I'm coming here.
Many people heard about Peace Revolution, they have checked the website, and we are really happy that more and more people are applying from the self-development program. So it's for free. Is anyone allowed to go on the platform, and what is the selection criteria for being part of Peace Revolution website and some of the fellowship that Peace Revolution is making?
There are two parts. The part of applying for the website is actually free to all. Is the practice of meditation that is provided online with the self-development program and real-life peace coach that interact with you over the internet, so that it helps you to constantly developing yourself in cooperation with the body and mind, so that you can find a balance of inner peace and also develop yourself to sustain it, so that you can have the peaceful interaction with people around you. So this part is totally free, and actually there's no criteria. It opens to anyone who think that finding inner peace will help bring benefits to their life. Anyone can apply. The second part about fellowship, because we are looking forward to find young activists who will help making the change in the world that is chaotic today, that is so much in need of peace. So we're looking for this for young activists who age between 18 to 30 after completing 42 days of self-development program to apply for the fellowship.
People are always asking, what is meditation? How we can do meditation? Is it for everyone? How the people can just relax and do meditation in their everyday lives?
When people look at me talking about meditation, they think it has to be something that belongs to yogi or hippie, or it has to be some kind of religious practice for very old people. In fact, the word meditation means the state of mind that is standstill, peaceful, and focused. That is the meanings of the word meditation. It is the result of the mind that comes from the practice or development of mindfulness and concentration.